Hi guys! We're making a cake for mommy and daddy's anniversary cake tomorrow. And I will put the cooking oil first. My mommy is helping. Here it comes. The next one is brown sugar. Now it's coming in. It looks like spoon. There we go. And next stirring time. Bigat. Tapos small na lang sa akin. The next one is white sugar. Eka na mama. Here we go. And next is eggs, mommy. Next to mix. And next, white milk and condensed milk. Come in. Oh, nagtatansik! Time to mix. Next is melted chocolate. Nagdudu na mama ko kasi baka mainit sa akin. What? Put the chocolate in over here. Chocolate. We're gonna put the flour now. I want to do it, mommy. I want to do it. Ako magdudu.
I-mix mo na. Baba mo hawakan yung ano ito.
Kasi dito pa yung hand ko. Oo.
Ako muna ano pa ano.
Kaya ko na. We're almost done to the baking, but mamaya muna. Bye-bye, guys.